Okay, everyone, I just wanted to pop in here and show you what I am so excited about and keep teasing everybody about is I'm about to launch the AI car guy to the world, which is going to be available for dealerships or salespeople to purchase. But I like to point out the actual application itself because it's like having me sitting on your shoulder and you can always ask your sales trainer what to do in every situation. Where not necessarily do you want or feel compelled to run to your manager because maybe there's judgment attached. Over here with the Chat Genius, you don't have any judgment that's coming through. So on the screen you can see here, hi, I'm the Sales Genius. Goes all the way down. If you want to learn how to use it more, there's a 60-second video. You click on that link, it'll open the video that's going to tell you what I'm doing here, but it's always going to be there. So down here at the bottom, you will notice that there is a text box. So as a text box, it's going to be you saying, hey, what do I do in this situation? But you can't just, like one of my pilot dealerships put in there, the Explorer is ready. So of course the thing came back and said, great, I'm glad the Explorer is ready. What do you want to do with it? Okay, so you can't give it just pieces. You got to pretend you're actually calling and saying, hey, I need some help with this. So I had a customer who came in and said, I need help writing a response because this customer sent me this email, but I need to write a reply back to them. So down here in the box, I'm going to do it live with you here and say, I need an email reply. Now this was for one of my pilot stores, which was a Ford store, and they said, we don't have any of our Raptors at MSRP. They're still bringing over MSRP. How do I explain this to a person who's asking me for a discounted price on it? So I put in there, I need an email reply to explain that we have no Raptors at MSRP, okay, for this email. Now what does that mean? I'm going to go ahead and paste in the customer's email. So this is what the customer wrote, okay? I'm in the market for a 2023 F-150 Raptor 37 PP and I'm inquired about your inventory. Just so you know, that guy used AI. Okay, I hope this message finds you well. Number one trigger that says, hey, so anytime I use an AI system to generate something, you want to take it out. Now, this Chat Genius has all of my training in it, so it's automotive specific that comes through. So again, I can leave this where it is. I just don't like all the extra spaces, but you don't have to do that. So this is what the person's looking for. So I just go ahead and hit the button at the bottom. Since I said I need an email reply, it's going to go put this in there. Okay, so if you look at it, it's not just going to be a quick, we don't have any, because the goal is what? Trying to get this person back in and seeing what we can do to work with them. So taking all the information from that one, it came back and said, right, I hope this email finds you in high spirits. I would take that out, right? I'd say, thanks for reaching out regarding your interest in this Raptor. We appreciate your detailed preferences and your desire for a reasonably priced vehicle. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The manufacturer suggested retail price, right? We understand that you're looking for a dealership in California to provide this at MSRP without any markup. We strive to offer competitive pricing. I must be honest with you. Due to the current market conditions and the high demand of the Raptor, securing one at MSRP has become quite challenging. However, we're committed to transparency and providing you this. So it did not tell them, sorry, you can't get it. It said, hey, it's going to be really tough. Okay, what could we do? We could offer them something else. We can offer them used. We can offer something that goes on to that one. Thanks for considering, our dealership. Look forward to the opportunity to serve you. So we took it out and put it in there. If you added your name, your dealership, and contact info into that actual initial question, it would write it all out for you. But most of us, our CRM pops in an actual signature. Okay, so I'm going to ask another couple questions. Okay, so if it failed to give me a good answer, put in your name and email. We'll review it and we'll send you the right answer later on. Okay, so if I say, how do I get someone to reply to my text? Okay, so it starts doing it. Are you not being concise? That's probably one of them. Personalize the message. Ask a question. Use humor when appropriate, everybody. I prefer to do that. Now, at the end of this, I can say, write me the text message. But what if I said to this one and said, you know what? Can you just give me a text message with no more than 200 characters? Oops, I only had character. Let's put it in characters. It'll understand. But to invite a lease customer in for an equity review. So here it is. Your lease is ending soon. Let's schedule a complimentary equity review to explore your options. Reply or call to set it up in your name. Okay? So literally this will do the work for your sales department, for your people that are there. If I said, can you write me a script? Okay, I have some dealerships that as soon as their manager tells them, go tell the person this, they walk over, pull this out and start typing and get a different take on what's there so that they can practice the words all the way into that one. But can you write me a script for someone that purchased from me that has equity in their vehicle and get into a new model with little money down? Okay, so now it's going to come back. Here's the script. Call them. Right? Hope you're enjoying your vehicle. I wanted to let you know that we have some exciting news for you. With the equity in your vehicle, you can get into a brand new model with little to no money down. Fantastic. Okay? It says right here, remember to personalize the script. You got to use their name. You got to use their stuff. Okay? Some of the people have monitors that are sitting between a customer and themselves. And so you can say the customer that is in front of me is asking for a discount. Okay? So what is it going to remind you to do? Clarify the value. Justify the price, offer alternatives. What? Offer alternatives and what? Maybe we can fit in their budget a different way. What can we do with financing? Or bundle it up with additional products or service like your maintenance and things. And come back to why it is a good price and focus on your long-term savings. But remember, it's all about effective communication and value. But just having someone to write the emails that are specific to your prospect and what they're looking for is much better than any template. And this is live 24/7. So you can have your staff doing it. Your staff could do role play with the Genius Bot. But all in all, you're giving your team an opportunity to ask for influence from a 30-plus year veteran, okay, in sales, somebody with 20 plus years in the automotive space that has ran #1 dealerships and also trains #1 dealerships in the nation. So hopefully this helps everybody to understand what's going on. Sorry, it was a little lengthy, but I wanted you to see it in action because this is going to be something so worth any investment at all. And once I get the setup for the memberships, you guys will be locked in and everybody at your dealership can get it. So take care.